Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your leg spikes on your PlayStation 5. So on the home screen here, let's go up to Settings and select this, and then go to Network. Then go to Settings and go to the right and go to Set up Internet Connection. Now, if you are going to be connect with a wired LAN cable. This is going to minimize the amount of leg spikes that are occurring. So plug it into the back of the PS5 if you're close enough to your router. And also come to the section, if you just connect the LAN cable, it's not going to switch over to LAN. You have to manually select it under here. So you can go to Setup LAN right here. And that's going to be the best way to do this. Now, if you look at your Wi-Fi, you can see the signal strength on here as well. So you can see Miss Beast and Scump. I have 3 bars. Out of 3 bars, I'm like 3 feet away from my router. Now, you may be a little bit further away, and you might only have like 1 or 2 bars. There's going to be a few different connections. If we press options under here, like we have 5 gigahertz. If we have PS5 Pro, we're going to have 6 gigahertz or 2.4. Now, depending on your range, one might be better than the other. So 6 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz is going to be a better connection overall. However, 2.4 gigahertz might offer a better range. So you might only have like 1 bar at 5 gigahertz, but with 2.4 gigahertz, you might have 2 or 3 bars, which could be a more reliable connection, even though the download speed is a little bit slower. So just try out these different Wi-Fi frequency bands and just see which ones you want to go in and connect to, and just try them all out. But I'm going to leave mine at automatic, and then you can connect to them under networks found. So I have 3 different connections at my house. I have 2 different routers. So here is one 2.4 gigahertz Mr. Beast down here. I can connect to it. And it's usually a little bit slower, a lot slower actually. It's like 100 gigabytes or 100 megabytes per second download. So now I want to go to my currently connected internet and press options on it. And if you are having issues, you can try forgetting it. So I can forget it and then just re-add it. And sometimes this just resolves whatever issue you're having as well. And then you can just reconnect under here, type in your password if you're connecting via Wi-Fi, etc. But let's go to it now and press options. Once again, go to advanced settings and then go down to the DNS settings, go to manual and type in 8.8.8.8.8. Then go to the secondary DNS and type in 8.8.4.4. Press R2 and done. So this is the first one you can try. Here's the second one you can try, 1.1.1.1. And then press R2, then go to the secondary DNS and type in 1.0.0.1. And then you can go to the M2 settings and try 1473. This is what I use typically for Call of Duty. Then press R2, go on over to OK. And then reconnect to your Wi-Fi or your LAN. And then back out of this screen. And then go up to the top, go to Test Internet Connection right here. And just see your download speed and your upload speed. Now, my PS5 with my wired LAN cable, it should be significantly better than my Wi-Fi, even if I'm using 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz. So usually I get around 370 if I'm connected via Wi-Fi. But on here, using a LAN cable, I should get much, much better. Hopefully around 600 to 700. So it's a significant boost, 619. So that's much better than my Wi-Fi. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.